Hey guys, it's Jen, and today I wanted to share with you my mommy makeup, just like a super quick and easy everyday makeup routine. It literally just takes me like 5 to 10 minutes, and it's kind of my when I'm short on time and I just need to throw something on my face so I don't look like a psychopath when I go to the post office kind of makeup. That is the tutorial I want to share with you today, because you know what, even if you're not a mom, if you're just a person who goes to school or work or leaves the house sometimes and doesn't want to look scary, that is a makeup tutorial for you. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So I'm gonna start off with mineral makeup. I just feel like it's one of those things where it's so quick and easy to do. I feel like my skin is a lot less sticky when I do this, and I don't have to worry so much about covering every single flaw evenly, just because it coats it so nicely. Even if you do a really sheer layer, I feel like mineral makeup makes things just look more natural. So if you do like a more natural texture to your skin, this is a really good option. I feel like as I've been sort of putting more concentration on my skincare, it's improved how my skin has been looking anyway. So I really don't need as much foundation as I used to, unless I'm doing like a super glam like makeup tutorial kind of look or going on some kind of really important red carpet or event. I'm just doing a light layer all over my skin and then just sort of patting in areas where I want just slightly more coverage. Usually on my cheeks I have some hyperpigmentation. I also get it really bad around my chin, I think because I get hormonal acne, especially with having the 2 babies and then breastfeeding, and all of that can lead to some discoloration. So that's literally all I do for the foundation. I'm gonna set it with this mineral veil powder. The next step, one of my favorites, I'm gonna go over the cheeks. This is my collaboration with Pixi. It's a glowy powder in the shade Wednesdays, because on Wednesdays we wear pink. I had this idea of wanting a highlight that was pigmented enough that would work in place of a blush. So I'm literally just gonna use this one powder in lieu of a separate blush and highlighter, but it gives such a pretty luminous finish, and it has enough shine and color that that's all you need. Sometimes if I want to do like a more super glam like contoured look, I'll layer it on top of a separate blush or bronzer, but a lot of days this is all I wear and I still get tons of compliments. Next, I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and I'm using my Endless Shade Stick. Again, this is my collaboration with Pixi Beauty, so if you guys want to pick this up, I believe they are stocking them at Target right now, so you can run over and get it. So I literally just swipe this on my eyes. I don't even need an eyeshadow primer, because once it sets, it's like super waterproof and just lasts all day without smudging. I like to do this kind of shape, like sort of a half moon with a little bit more leaning outward toward the edges. I also use it right on my lower lash line, like yes, just kind of like that. It doesn't have to be super perfect because you do have a pretty generous amount of time to smudge it out. So I'm just taking my fingertip, I'm literally just gonna like swipe it a couple times, and it looks perfectly blended. That's why I love it so much. You don't have to be an expert blender, you can just work with it. And if it's a little bit imperfect, go back in, add a little bit more where you want some more color, smudge out the edge. Like, you literally cannot blend easier than that. And then I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, just because if I go right to eyeliner, I feel like the eyeshadow needs to set for a second first before it'll stick. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I use shade 3. I like this one again because the actual product is a little bit thicker. They have their precise one, which I also like when I'm doing a more precise look, but for every day, this one just gets it on my brows really quick and easy. I'm gonna blend this in a little bit just at the front of my brows. Next, I'm gonna do a little bit of lip gloss again to make sure my eyeshadow is setting. I'm in love with this stuff. This is the NARS lip oil. I just grabbed the natural colored one, My Lips But Better shade. Now I'm going to add my eyeliner. Sometimes you just have to get lucky on if you get like even wings the first time you put it down. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Fairydrops one. I don't know if they still make this. I hope they do. I had an extra one in my makeup drawer and I remembered how much I love it. But this is a Japanese mascara, and if you have really stubborn short lashes that don't want to hold a curl, look into Japanese mascaras because a lot of them are really good about holding a lash curl and are a lot more waterproof than American brands. Now I'm just gonna pop on a couple of false lashes, but that's about it. For most moms on the go, it's not bad. Didn't take too much time using an extra eyeshadow primer, skip that step. Didn't do any contouring or blush, just combined that all into my glowy powder right here. So I feel like we did a pretty good job. I feel all pulled together, makeup looks great, I can leave the house, not look scary if I go to the post office. We're all done. So I guess that's about it. If you want to check out any of the products I used, as always, I will leave links in the description box down below. If you are not already subscribed, I would love it so very much if you subscribe to my channel, hit thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss my future videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!